All right, so we're changing the rear display on this 900 here. So the first thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. And to pop off the top here, there's actually a couple little tabs underneath here that we're going to need to use our screwdriver on. So you'll find it right here and right here. Put your flathead in and twist, and that won't pop off. Do the same thing over here. This will then lift up, exposing the rear display here. This just kind of sits in place. You can pull it right out. There's a good chance that during shipping, this little connector ribbon actually just came undone. So the one that you have might actually work. If you pull that out, you might want to just try reseating it and then see if that works. If not, then use the new one that we're sending you. But it does pull out little effort required, but you'll see the slot on there. When you put the new one in, just make sure you push it in nice and tight so that you don't see any of the metal on the top anymore. That's kind of your indication that it's in there all the way. And once you do that, this kind of just sets back in place. Should be ready to go. You'll snap your cover back into place. You'll do the top part first and line up the two pegs there. Down at an angle. And then the bottom will snap back into place. And when you plug it in, hit all your buttons there, just a bunch of 8s. Make sure all the spaces light up there. As long as they're all showing up, get clear and you're ready to go.